Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Mrs. Sobia Suhail is here. Today I will explain the topic that finding the square root by factorization method. Okay, so let me write a few questions regarding this one. The first part, I have taken the question from the unit number 6 of exercise 6.3 and class 9. Okay, 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. First of all, whenever you are taking question like this one, expression like this one, in which you need to find out the square root by factorization method. So the first step is check that your expression is expression is arranged with any variable like x square power, x1 power, and then x is uh, absent from here. It means x power is 0. So it is arranged with respect to the variable x. Okay, if you check, so automatically it is arranged with the variable of y also, that y0, y1, y2. X power is descending and y power is ascending, so either ascending or descending, whatever, but the expression must be arranged with the variable. Okay, so after that, check that first it's arranged. Okay, it's arranged. Now the first term and the last term, they must contain the whole square numbers. Whole square numbers means the coefficient also and the variable also must belonging to the whole square category. 4 is a square number, as it is 2 square is equal to 4, and 9 also is a square number, as 3 square equals to 9. So we can write this and this as a whole square form. Okay, so let's write that one. This is the square of 2. Let me write whole square. Okay, so this is the whole square of 2 and this is the square of x, and this one is whole square of 9 is square of 3, and y square is the square of y. So this expression can be written in the whole square form as this, and this expression can be written in the form of this. If still you don't understand, you can make a working like this one, that first term is this, so factorize 2 times into 2 equal factors. Okay, 4 can be 2 2s are 4, and x square can be equal factor 2 2s are 4, x are x square. After that you can write it like this. Okay, and the second one also same way. If still you cannot you are unable to write down in the whole square form, how you will write that? Make two factors here. Now divide 9 equal over here, like two factors which are same to same. So 9 is the 9 has factor 3 3s are. Okay, and y square will be y and y. So same factors we obtain, we can write it like 3y whole square. Now it's okay. Okay, now check this sign. If it is minus, so keep the same sign, and then revise that formula, that a square plus minus 2ab plus b square was equals to a plus minus b whole square. So we are going to revise this formula and do factorization regarding this over here. So minus 2 times the first term 2x, second term 3y. Write down over here. After that, check whether it is satisfying the same middle term or not. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. X into y, xy. Yes, it is satisfying. So our this formation is completed. Okay. So we can use the reference of this formation, that if the product term have plus sign, so it will be closed as a plus b. If product term have minus sign, it will be closed as a minus b. So now first term minus, so minus, second term and whole square, it is closed. Now you need to take the square root. Square root of it. Square and square root cancel each other and the answer will be plus minus 2x minus 3y. Plus minus for a reason because you don't know that whether the square was a positive number or the square which has been taken, that the number originally was a negative number. So whenever we are opening the square root or we are going back to the original number, we have to use this plus and minus both sign. So I think this question is clear, and let me go for the next question which is almost same like this one. Okay. One more question I'm doing in the same way. X square minus 1 plus 1 over 4x square. Okay. So this is our first term. Again, it is arranged. Okay. So first step, that arrangement is done with the variable. After that, this is check. First term, write in two equal factors, x and x. So it is the whole square of x. Second term, 1 over 4x square. Two same factor, 1 1s are 1 and 4 is 2 2s are 4. X square is x into x. So it will become 1 over 2x whole square. Okay, write down this over here, 1 over 2x whole square. And middle one is minus, so minus 2 times, write down first term, write down second term. After that, check. X and x cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, and it will give you back the same answer. So yes, it is true. If it is true, so we can close with the same identity like first term minus, so minus second term whole square. Now you take the square root. Taking square root, x minus 1 over 2x whole square. Square and square root cancel, plus minus of x minus 1 over 2x you obtain, that is the answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this is the third part or the next part. In this also, first check it's arranged. Okay, now take out the first term and the third term. Make factors. First term 1 over 16 x square can be factorized into two same factor or equal factor. 1 1s are 1. X square will be factorized as x into x. Denominator 16. So 4 4s are 16. So equal factors are 1x you can write as x or 1 by 4 also, no problem. In the both way you can write 1 by 4x square. Okay. Then the next 1 over 36 y square. It can be factorized again into the equal factors like 1 1s are 1 y square. So y's are y square. Downside 36 can be factorized as 6 6 are 36. So it is 1 over 6y whole square. This can be written as this in the whole square form, and this can be written as this in the whole square form. Okay, now minus is there, so follow the minus same sign. 2 times the first term and second term. Okay, after writing that with the 2 times product of the first term and the second term, always check and verify whether your product is giving you same answer or not. Otherwise, check your mistake. You must have done any mistake over there, okay, in looking at the whole squares. So this is 2 to the 4, 2 left, 2 6 are 12, okay. And the numerator 1 1s are 1, x into y, xy. It is completely satisfying. That's why it can be closed as the identity closing. Let me write down the identity once again. A square minus 2ab plus b square. If we satisfy an equation like this one, or if we transform an equation like this one, so we will close it a minus b whole square. Like in this. So hence we will also close it like first term minus second term whole square. You can omit the brackets also, because there is only single term, so no need to put the bracket or no need to continue the bracket. At this step we can take the square root also. Taking square root, take the square root on it. Now whole square will cancel the square root and we get the answer as, okay. Let's try the next part. It's like 4 times a plus b whole square minus 12 times a square minus b square and plus 9 times a minus b whole square. So this question is very easy. Add these terms are already transformed in the square form. Only we have to make them in the whole square form. Whole square form. So let me write down over here that what we want to do. First term is, this is our first term. Write over here and make two exactly same factor. So 4 can be divided into factor as 2 2s are 4. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. So in the whole square form it will be like 2 times whole square form. 2 times a plus b whole square minus this one. 9 is the whole square of 3a minus b. In the same way we can transform like this. Now 2 times first term and second term. Write down the first term very carefully. 2 into a plus b. Don't skip this 2 from here and don't be confused with this 2. This is the 2 for the formula. Means 2 times the product of first term and second term. Write down the first term here. Write down the second term here properly. Okay. After that, check once again that whether it is satisfying this formation or not. 2 to the 4, 4 3 to the 12. Yes, the number is 12. Now a plus b into a minus b, we know that it's the algebraic identity, and the product of a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So hence we can go for closing the identity. So this one is our first term, this is one is our second term. Central sign is minus and whole square. At this step, we will take the square root. Taking square root of 2 times a plus b minus 3 times a minus b whole square. So square and square root cancel. It will be equals to plus minus 2 times a plus b minus 3 times a minus b. Whether we can keep the answer over here, but as they both are solving together, so it's better to continue and solve them. 2a plus 2b minus 3a minus minus plus 3b. A like term, collect the like terms. 2a and minus 3a will give you minus a, and 2b and 3b will give you plus 5b. Whether you can write like this or it can be written as positive term first, negative term at the second place, and this could be your final answer. Hopefully it's clear a little bit. In the next video, inshallah, I will try to sort out the next more cases. Until then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.